guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So this is again a day in my life video. You guys say that you guys really like raw and real content so that you can relate to it. That's why I'm shooting another one today. This week is going pretty good. Today is Tuesday and I am doing my laundry in the very beginning of the day because of two reasons. Firstly, because the laundry room is generally empty and I get to choose with whatever washer I want to, and second, it gives a very good start to your day as well. So you would have seen that there are common laundry rooms in videos, specifically in the US. So these are washers, and these are dryers. So you get to select your machine from the application. The name of the application is Wash Connect. There you can see what machines are available. As of now I have seen that 13 is available, so I'm going to put all of my clothes into this and then select the cycle and then start it. All the clothes that I use in entire month, be it bedsheet, be it my towels, be it my lowers, everything, every single thing, and one cycle costs me $2.25. So that is relatively cheap as compared to what we have in India. It will take 32 minutes for the washing cycle to complete. By the time it completes, I'll get my breakfast ready because I have to go to office and library as well. Then we'll come back here and use the dryer. We do have this sabzi and we have some dal, and I think I'll be cooking some rice. In addition to that, I have yogurt also, so I'll be taking this today. And for my breakfast, I'll be having my regular smoothie, as you already know: creatine, oats, protein, honey, some peanut butter, milk. Mix them and have them. Best breakfast. I don't know you guys like coffee or not, but whenever I make my coffee, so if it is an espresso or a normal black coffee, I use this International Delight creamer. I personally like it so much. I just finished one of it yesterday. So this was the flavor that I was using before this. It is hazelnut flavor, and now we are using butter pecan. It is just amazing. It adds so much flavor to your coffee. I mean, mind blowing. Breakfast, lunch and coffee. Got notified on the app that the cycle has completed, so I'll put it in dryer. I think, yeah, as you can see here it's written end, so it's complete. And now we are gonna put it in dryer, and I think in around 1 hour it will be good to go. So you can see that all the clothes have been washed. So I came to Noble Library. I'll be working from here for at least 2 to 3 hours, and then I'll be studying. I have a whole to-do list ready, so I'll be completing all of those, and I'll be also having my lunch and snacks here itself, and then I'll get back home at around 5-6ish. And by the way, I'm also applying for my EAD card, so I have to get my photograph clicked. I've got to know multiple places: CVS store, FedEx store, and ASU passport office, but all of them are charging from $5 to $20. But I also got to know that you can get it done for free in Memorial Union here in ASU. I'll be going there with Apurva at around 2 p.m. and let's see that how does the photo turn out to be. If it's good, I would prefer not to waste my hard-earned money. So it's 3:30 right now, and I am going to get my photograph thing done and to get out some application printouts for my EAD card. If you do not know, GPSA provides you with free printouts, 50 free printouts each week. That way you can save your money. I'll show you where GPSA is. This is the back entrance of MU. Here you have Desert Financial. This is Ankit. And here, this is the professional photo booth that I was talking about. Here you can get your photo clicked for free. बंद करो भाई तुम बंद। we got our printouts and it's time for study session 2. So we got done with our study session today and our office. Now it's time to head back home and go to the gym. It's exact 8 p.m. I'll quickly get ready and leave for the gym. I have had my pre-workout meal. I had yogurt today. I think I'll have a banana or something, and then I'll leave immediately because I do not have time. Came back home. I'll quickly freshen up and then I have to cook dinner today. So I guess we are planning to make aloo bhujia, and we already have rice and dal, and I'll have something else in protein as well. So I was editing this vlog and I just noticed that I did not end it. This is how my day looks like. Technically, I have my job, I have my studies, I have my gym, I have my diet. There are multiple things, my friends, my partner, my family, multiple things. And I hope you were able to relate to it well, because I try to shoot and upload raw and real content so that you are able to connect to it in a better way. And yeah, this was it. I hope you liked it. If there is anything else that you want me to cover, please comment down. I'll make sure to do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye. Do subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video that what did you like especially and what you didn't, so that I can improve on it in the future uploads. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.